Electrical safety starts with understanding the basics. It's essential to know the difference between grounding and bonding to ensure the safety of any electrical system. Today, we're diving into grounding and bonding. Stay tuned. These concepts might seem similar, but they play distinct roles in electrical safety. Grounding and bonding are crucial for electrical safety, but they serve different purposes. Understanding these differences can prevent electrical hazards and ensure compliance with safety standards. First, let's talk about grounding. Grounding is a fundamental concept in electrical systems and is often the first line of defense against electrical faults. Grounding is the process of connecting electrical systems to the earth. This connection is typically made using a ground rod, which is driven into the soil to provide a direct path for electrical energy to dissipate. This is usually done using a ground rod. The ground rod is a metal rod that is inserted into the ground to create a physical connection between the electrical system and the earth. The primary goal? To safely dissipate electrical energy into the ground during faults or lightning strikes. This helps protect both people and equipment from electrical surges and faults. Now, onto bonding. Bonding is equally important, but serves a different purpose in the realm of electrical safety. Bonding is the practice of connecting all the non-current carrying metal parts of an electrical system. This includes metal conduits, enclosures, and other metal components that could become energized. Think of it like making sure all metal parts are at the same electrical potential. By doing this, bonding helps to prevent potential differences that could cause electric shock. The aim here is to reduce the chance of electric shock if there's a fault. When all metal parts are bonded together, it ensures that any fault current will have a low-resistance path back to the ground, minimizing the risk of shock. Here's a quick recap. Grounding and bonding are both essential for electrical safety, but they are not the same. Grounding connects to the earth to handle excess electricity. This is crucial for safely dissipating energy from faults or lightning strikes. Bonding connects metal parts within the system to ensure they're at the same potential. This helps to prevent electric shock by ensuring that all metal parts are at the same electrical potential. Remember, both grounding and bonding are vital for safety, but they are not interchangeable. Each serves a unique purpose in protecting people and equipment from electrical hazards. Grounding handles fault currents. Bonding ensures equal potential. Together, they create a comprehensive safety system that minimizes the risk of electrical accidents. That's it for today. We hope this explanation helps you understand the critical roles of grounding and bonding in electrical safety. Make sure your projects are safe and up to code. Always follow the latest safety standards and guidelines to protect yourself and others. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there. Remember, a well-grounded and bonded system is a safe system.